Okay, what we have done until now, we have created 2 worksheets, in fact 3 worksheets, exams, info and other. And in the exams, we have written this information and we copied it to info. Okay, so I'm going to now change this to wall marks. Okay, 55 is 6 and 25 is 3. 43 I can change it to 4, to 2, 3 and 1. Okay, and now 86, pardon, I can change it to 9, 3 and 5, and this is 10. Out of 10, I'm going to change all of them to out of 10. This is 2, 4, 7, and I'm going to change all of this. 10, 9, 5, 7, 10, 9, 5, 7. Now, what I get a report mark out of 10. But as you see, there are lots of decimal numbers. I don't want them to be like that. What can I do? I'm going to decrease decimal. So I click here and I decrease decimal. So you can first of all, instead of writing tens and out of 100 numbers, you can just write them out of 10, like midterm marks, 9, 7, like that, final marks, homework marks and report marks. For calculating report mark, let us see what we have done. We have written this formula. You can write other formulas if you want. You can, in order to add 2 things and to divide 2, let us do one of them also, mark 2. If your result consists of adding 2 marks, like saying this D2 and E2, I'm going to write an equality sign here. First of all, the first thing that I do in Microsoft Excel programs, I should write, if it is a formula, I should use an equality sign. I use the equality sign and I click this D2. I want to add it with E2 and I want to divide it to 2. So in order to do it, I get to the beginning and I write it in brackets and divide to 2. So this is the formula, D2 plus E2 divided by 2. But I can get the average of these 2 if I click it. If I select 2 numbers, I see the average 9. Look, it is similar. I add 2 numbers and divide by 2, and I can do it like that. If I do it like that, it collects all the numbers and it finds all the average of all the numbers here. If I want to find average mark of Aslı AFC, I just shade it and I can see the average here. Or what can I see? What can I do? I can go to the right bottom side of it and I can drag it to the downwards. So this is what I see. And let us check with 1. I shade these 2. Ali's midterm mark and homework mark. Analyze average is 6.5. Look, average is 6.5. Yes. This is all that we are going to do about marks. I'm going to repeat it again. We can write it in our columns. We can shade it, and if we shade it, we see the average, count and sum, and we can find the report marks by writing formulas.